Ready, start. I am sure the government, which has followed a particular course of action, which has been the consistent national stand as far as India is concerned, is conscious as far as the interest of India's agriculture is concerned and India's industry is concerned. Full stop. The agricultural negotiations have not proceeded significantly in the past 5 years. Full stop. Now there is a considerable amount of pressure on us to yield. Full stop. The Indian position, in short, has been that unless our agricultural farmer is really a sustenance farmer, he cannot compete with the subsidized farming. As far as the United States is concerned, the European Union is concerned, and the other subsidizing nations are concerned. Full stop. We must bear in mind that as far as these areas are concerned, now here in the world, foreign policy and trade policy necessarily go together. Full stop. Europe and United States are occasionally raised against each other as far as trade policy is concerned, though they may have the best of political and diplomatic relations with each other. Full stop. Because ours is a sustenance farmer, he cannot compete this huge amount of subsidies that the developed countries give, which must come down. Full stop. The government of India in the last 5 years has pursued this stand and pursued it vigorously. Full stop. India is being blamed by the developed countries for not allowing the deal to go through. Full stop. On the contrary, we are being told that you reduce your tariffs so that the subsidized agricultural can come and invade the Indian market. Full stop. Even if it did not invade the Indian market, it will at least prevent our surplus from going into the global market, compelling our agricultural produce to be dumped in our own market and depress our prices. Full stop. So those subsidies really are a death knell as far as the Indian farmer is concerned. Full stop. Para. Without any significant reduction in those subsidies by just concealing them into the environmental category in the green box today, there is an effort to get us to fall in line and sign that deal. Full stop. I wish to caution this government that this is one area where the government would not yield and stand by what our conventional Indian position is. Full stop. The climate change negotiations are currently on. Full stop. There also the effort is that the developed countries have already had and tasted the fruits of development. Full stop. They have a huge amount of industrialized growth and therefore their emissions or what pollutes the environment is far higher than us. Full stop. Now the entire effort is to trade in that pollution and ask the developing or the weaker countries to buy it because our emissions are reasonably low from latest scam order. Full stop. Overall.